bottle until it get hollow.
What is up, everybody? Rez back here again, and it is getting really cold out here in Chicago, but I figured we'd been stalling enough and I'd just show you guys. It's dirty right now, but please welcome the new build for the channel. Here it is. So there it is. It's a 2003 Phoenix Red, I believe, Evo 8, and yeah, there's a few things that I already want to do to it, and there's a few things that I already have done to it that you're gonna see in the upcoming videos. So the nose chop, for one, that's a separate video that I'll be making. It did not come like this when I got it, but me and my buddy, we went ahead and did that. Fairly simple process. The Evo has GSE S2 cams. It's got the FP intake, FP red turbo, full exhaust system, NVIDIA catback. It's got the tile open wastegate, and there's a few things that I already am planning on doing. If you look inside, one of the main reasons that I really liked it, it's pretty dirty now, but when I got it, it was incredibly clean. It still is pretty flawless interior. Dash is good, steering wheel is really good. And yeah, it was just a good deal that I couldn't pass up. Let me unlock the rest of the car so I can show you in the back. But yeah, really clean overall. Couldn't pass up on this car. You'll see that the wing is missing. That's because the clear was chipping on that, and on the side, and then the carbon fiber, as it's common on these cars, was going out. But I got it resprayed. It's already sitting in the house. Just gonna ceramic coat it and do a few other things. It's really cold, but I really wanted to make this video for you guys to let you know that the channel's still going, and there's still one car that I haven't even revealed yet. So stay tuned, because there's big things coming for sure. But hope you guys enjoyed. The next video will be the nose chop, and then right after that will be a few other things that I already got working for the car. But that's it. I hope you guys like the new car that's in the channel, and you already know what to do. See you next time. Always remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Rez out. We're out of here.